Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make shapes like this, and then animate them like this in DaVinci Resolve. So let's just jump into it. So this video is gonna be in two portions. First portion is gonna be where we make the shapes, and then the second portion is gonna be where we animate the shapes. And to make the shapes, what you need to do is you need to come to your timeline and then go to effects, click on effect, and then in effects search for fusion composition. Drag and drop it here. After that, open your Fusion page. On Fusion page, press Shift Space and then add a background layer. After that, keep this background layer selected and go to shapes here. I will select rectangle now, and then this is added now. Now I need to connect this to media out. There you go, we have the shape. Now first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna decide what color we want, and to do that we click on background and then come here and select the color. So I will make it red first of all. Then I will go on rectangle and we will do all the settings. Let's say I don't want it to be a full box, I just want it to be having the edges, so I can just disable the solid and increase the border width, and this way we can have it as a rectangle. Now if I want to make it soft, I can do this here, and then I can do this to the corners. And if I want to make it a capsule, what I can do is I can come here on corner radius and increase it. Now if we want to increase the height or width, we can come here and then increase it. So this is how we make a rectangle. If we want to make it as a circle, we can just come here and click on this, and now we have a circle. I will just click on rectangle and delete it, and the same thing can apply to the circle as well. You can see now it's all same. You can play with all the things, and if you want to make your own desired shape, what you can do is you can go on polygon and click on this and then connect it to the background and then just draw. So I will draw it here. There you go, and then same thing. So this is how you can create the shapes in DaVinci Resolve. Now how can we animate them? I'm just going to show you that. So I will just go back on the rectangle. So just as an example, I will come on length and I will go all the way to 0. I will create keyframe here, go a bit further and then make it full, and then go a bit more further and then come again back here, and then now I will create one more keyframe on position and go again, and then now on position I will go like this a bit more and then go back, and then a bit more further, and then I will make it full length. So if I will play now, how will it look? Let's see. Oh, there you go. So any of these animations can be done very easily if you are aware of keyframing in DaVinci Resolve. Now what I have done is I have made all of these shapes and I have exported them as a transparent video, and whenever I need to use them as an overlay on my videos to highlight something, I just import this video and I use this all the time. And if you want to know how you can export your video as a PNG or transparent video, I have already made a video about that. You can click on that and see that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.